morning. For some of us today, there's more rain or showers and brisk winds in the forecast. But after today, things quieten down. It will dry up, but it will still be chilly. I'll have all the details. Good morning, Dan and Lou. Good morning to you too. Now, if you're stepping out this morning, there's quite a bit of cloud around. Some of us are also going to see some rain today or some showers and brisk winds. But after today, things turn a bit drier than they have been. There'll still be some showers, occasionally some drizzle, and it is going to remain chilly by day and also by night. Some of us off to a chilly start this morning, actually. What's happening today is we've got a weather front which is affecting parts of Kent and East Anglia. It whirls round into southern Scotland, northern England, and through the day this bit of it is going to sink south and the bit in the southeast is going to drift west. Now, as we move north of that, one or two showers to start the day in Northern Ireland, but drying up nicely for you with some sunshine. And same in Scotland, we're looking at it improving through the course of the day as our rain band sinks further south into northern England, but there'll still be quite a bit of cloud and some murky conditions around Lothian and the borders. Now, temperatures today 10 to about 13 degrees. If you're stepping out this afternoon, improving in southwest England, it will dry up with fewer showers and some sunshine. Those showers getting into the Channel Islands. We'll see some of that rain getting into the home counties and Wales, northern England. Some sunshine though for Northern Ireland. Still some dampness across the southeast of Scotland, but for the rest of Scotland, mostly dry with some sunshine and also fewer showers. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, well, once again, we'll still have this rain coming in from the North Sea, some showers in the south, under some clear skies. We could even see a touch of frost in sheltered glens in Scotland and potentially to the west of Northern Ireland as well. I'll have a much longer forecast in about half an hour. Dan and Lou. Well, there's quite a lot actually, Dan. Good morning, everybody. For many of us today, we're looking at quite a cloudy day. There'll be some rain, there's some showers and some brisk winds. And if you're thinking this is the way forward, it's not, because as we head really from tomorrow onwards, it is going to turn that bit drier and it is going to remain chilly, and there'll be some drizzle coming out of the thicker cloud. So if we take a look first of all at what's happening today, low pressure is still dominating our weather. It's sinking south. You can see this great big arc of a weather front. Each end of it in the southeast and the north is producing some rain. The northern end sinking south, the southern end is moving west, but it has been producing some rain through the course of the night. Nothing too heavy, some surface water and spray in the roads, right enough first thing this morning to watch out for. And as we go through the course of the day, you can see we hang on to a fair bit of cloud. Now, some of us will see some sunshine. The rain in Scotland, Anglia and Kent, which has been heavy in Kent, is going to be drifting a bit further west. But the showers we currently have pushing down towards the Channel Islands, so it will brighten up later across southwest England. For Northern Ireland, after a cold start, we're looking at some sunshine and a cold start. Estilmuir and Kildare Castle in Northumberland getting down to freezing this morning, so temperatures picking up. We're looking at highs today between 10 and 13, but still nothing to write home about. And when you add on a brisk wind, it will feel a bit chillier than those temperatures suggest. Now, through this evening and overnight, we still will have some rain coming in across the north of the country, some showers in the south, but equally there'll be some clear skies around. And in sheltered glens in Scotland and in the shelter under clear skies at the west of Northern Ireland, we could well see temperatures dip low enough for a touch of frost. These temperatures you see here are indicative of what you can expect in towns and cities. Then eventually we say goodbye to our low pressure, and as we head towards the end of the week, we're looking at high pressure taking over, which means things will be more settled. But it's going to be a fairly cloudy high, so it will be bright at times with a little bit of sunshine, but quite a showers, especially in the east, but some of them will make progress inland through the Midlands, in through parts of Wales, possibly as far west as the southwest of England. But these are going to be the exception rather than the rule. As you can see, there's not a lot of blue on this chart, so tomorrow there'll be more dry weather than wet. Temperatures 10 to about 15 degrees with lighter winds. And then as we head on through Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, you can see the picture. It's mostly dry. Don't forget, some of that thicker cloud will produce some drizzle, but temperatures by day, 11s, 12s and 13s. By night under clear skies, some of us could see some frost and also some fog. Lou and Dan.
Oh.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. It is a beautiful Weather Watchers picture, Lou, right enough, of Sandhill in Cumbria, and thanks to Wendy for sending that in. Now, some of us are starting off with clear skies. There's a touch of frost across parts of Northumberland and the Highlands. And today there's still some rain in the forecast. But after today, well, it's going to turn that bit drier, although it will still stay chilly by day and by night. What we've got today is low pressure dominating our weather. You can see this curly front around it. It's producing rain as it sinks southwards, this end of it producing rain, and it will drift westwards through the course of the day. But in between, there are some clear skies, so some of us will start with some sunshine. Now, through the day, the rain in Scotland continues to sink that bit farther across northern England into North Wales, and the rain currently in Kent and East Anglia continues to drift in the direction of the home counties. But it will dry up with fewer showers across southwest England through the day, and for Northern Ireland your showers will tend to fade. You'll see some sunshine, and the same for much of Scotland. We'll see more sunshine than showers through the afternoon, but quite brisk winds. Temperatures 10 to about 13 degrees. Through this evening and overnight, we hang on to the rain, still both this across parts of northern England and Scotland, still coming westwards and pushing down towards the Channel Islands further south. In between, there'll be once again some clear skies and temperatures falling low enough in some of the sheltered glens in Scotland and possibly in sheltered areas in the west of Northern Ireland for a touch of frost. I'll have the weather for the rest of the week in more detail in about half an hour. Lou and Dan.
We look forward to it.
Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Lou. Good morning to you too. You can see from one of our weather watchers, there's quite a bit of cloud in London. And when I was driving in this morning, it was also rather damp. Now, the next couple of days, you'll notice will become drier. It's going to be chilly by day and by night. Actually, this is true for the weekend as well. But today, we've got low pressure dominating our weather. And you can see this bulging weather front. It's producing rain moving south across Scotland and northern England. And the other end of it has also got rain in it. And that's going to be drifting westwards, taking rain eventually in through the home counties and the Midlands. So still quite a lot of dampness across Edinburgh, Lothian and the borders generally, some brighter skies in between that band of rain. And we've also got some sunshine across the rest of Scotland with a few showers and brisk winds. After a cold start in Northern Ireland with the odd shower, it should dry out and you'll see some sunshine. But our weather front's still pushing southwards. Not all of us will see this rain, but some of us will. It shouldn't be particularly heavy, and we'll see fewer showers this afternoon across the southwest of England, but more into the Channel Islands. Now, through this evening and overnight, still some rain to come across Ireland, but in between there'll be some clear skies, and in sheltered glens in Scotland and sheltered parts of the west of Northern Ireland, temperatures could well dip low enough for a touch of frost. Tomorrow then, we still will have this band of rain turning more showery through the day, but tomorrow there will be a lot of dry weather around as well. A brisk northeasterly wind bringing in a bit more cloud at times across eastern areas, and here too we'll see some showers, and some of those showers are drifting further west through northern England into the Midlands, parts of southern England, even as far west potentially as Wales. But for Scotland, for Northern Ireland, you're going to see drier conditions, a bit more sunshine, especially in the shelter from that northeasterly wind, and temperatures 9 to 14, maybe 15 in Plymouth, but feeling cooler because of the wind along the North Sea coastline. Dan and Lou.
Thank you, Carol.
Lovely indeed. Yes, thank you, Lou. Lovely pictures myself. These are Weather Watchers pictures you've been seeing this morning. This one sent in by Ella of Leicestershire, and you can see the sun just poking through the clouds there. Now, there is rain in the forecast today, but after today, it looks like it's going to turn that bit drier, but it will stay chilly, not just by day, but also for some of us by night with a touch of frost. Low pressure today, though, is very much dominating our weather. You can see this curling weather front that's producing some rain, another one sinking south. There's some heavy rain at the moment across parts of Wales, and through the morning that will continue to sink southwards, moving in the direction of the Channel Islands. Meanwhile, the rain will continue across parts of Lothian and the borders, fairly patchy, moving across northern England in through Wales. And then we've also got a band of rain which is currently in East Anglia and Kent. That's going to be moving in the direction of the Midlands. But as we push northwards for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, we're looking at something drier and brighter, but still a brisk wind. That will take the edge of the temperatures, which at best are 10 to 13 degrees. Now, through this evening and overnight, we still will have some rain around. Again, across Scotland, some showers as we move further south, and also some showers getting in to parts of Wales and Northern Ireland. In between, there'll be some clear skies. In fact, in sheltered parts of Scotland and sheltered parts of the west of Northern Ireland, temperatures could well dip low enough for a touch of frost. So tomorrow, we start off with this rain turning showery through the day, with this brisk northeasterly wind, we'll see a bit more cloud at times coming in across eastern coastal counties, blowing in showers a bit further inland and feeling cool. Temperatures between 10 and about 15 degrees, but you'll notice that wind down the North Sea coastline. Lou and Dan.
Thank you, Carol.
Good morning, everyone. Well done. We've got a bit of this and a bit of that, certainly today. You can see we've got a bit of both here in Norfolk, some clouds, some sunshine coming through. But for many of us today, it is going to be fairly cloudy. There's some rain. There are some heavy showers in the forecast. If you like your weather a bit quieter, for the rest of the week, it will be drier. At times, there'll be a lot of cloud, and it will be chilly by day and also by night. But today, low pressure is driving our weather. We've got this great big weather front producing rain. Another front sinking off into the near continent is currently producing some heavy showers across Wales. They'll continue to slide southwards through the day, getting into the Channel Islands. And we've also got rain coming through Kent, the east of East Anglia, and then pushing back towards the Midlands. Rain across southern Scotland, pushing further south. So northern Scotland seeing some dry conditions through the afternoon with 1 or 2 showers. Still wet across Lothian and the borders into northern England. Northern Ireland, your showers fading. You'll see some sunshine and some further showers developing across Wales. In between, through the Midlands, down towards the southwest, we've got some drier conditions with variable amounts of cloud and some sunny skies. Now, through this evening and overnight, we still will have this rain across northern England and Scotland, turning more showery, getting in across parts of Northern Ireland, Wales, a few showers in the south as well. But there'll be a lot of clear sky, and under the clear skies, it does mean temperatures will fall away, particularly in sheltered glens, in sheltered parts of Northern Ireland as well. Here, we could see temperatures dip low enough for a We also will have a brisk northeasterly wind, and that means along eastern coastal counties it will feel pretty cool, and we'll see a bit more cloud at times, with showers being driven in that wind, not just into eastern areas, but we'll see some in the south through the Midlands. We could even see a few in Wales and also northern England and central Scotland. These are our temperatures, 9 to 15, but if you're exposed to that wind, it will feel a lot cooler than those temperatures are suggesting. Thursday, high pressure is still very much with us, so even more of a dry day on Thursday with fewer showers, lighter winds. Strongest winds will be in the southeastern quadrant of the UK. There'll be quite a lot of cloud at times, but nonetheless, there will still be some sunny spells with highs 9 to about 13 degrees. And then as we head on into the weekend, well, on Friday and the weekend, we still are looking at high pressure dominating our weather. Still a lot of dry weather, but still areas of cloud, thick enough here and there for some drizzly bits and pieces. But the emphasis is on drier conditions rather than wet conditions. Lighter winds as well, with highs 8 to 13. So no heat wave. And through the weekend, by night, it will be cool enough for some of us for a touch of frost and also some patchy fog. There's something to look forward to, Dan and Lou.
Oh, well, yes.